YouTube, how we doing? This is Chop. Welcome to my channel. Hope this video finds you in good spirits. Well, I finally got the headers put on. Shout out to the law-abiding biker. I referenced his video a lot when I was trying to install these headers, so I'm gonna put a link to his YouTube channel down below. One thing I recommend, it took me about 3 hours to remove all the old stuff, and then it took me about another probably good 4 hours, maybe even 4.5, to install the new headers, assemble everything, put it all back together again. So I recommend you have a buddy with you, have somebody with you at least to hold the header in place while you're tightening bolts and whatnot. I'm not a mechanic, I'm not a motorcycle technician, so it probably took me a lot longer than a lot of you guys, but again, I was doing it by myself, so you know, it took me quite a while, but I got it done. So what I'll do is I'll kind of give you a walk around, I'll show you what it looks like real quick, and I'll fire it up and let you hear how it sounds. Again, it's the Vance and Hines Power Duals headers with the Vance and Hines 4.5-inch high output muffler slip-ons. Here we go. So there you have it. Hope you like it. I love how it sounds. I actually called Vance and Hines because I wanted to talk to them to find out which headers had the lowest, deepest rumble to it, and they said that the Power Duals had the lowest, deepest rumble, more so than a dresser dual. So that's why I went with the Power Duals. I hope you like that deep, low rumble. I love it. So check back with us again soon.